back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving your favorite dishes, your favorite food. But anyway, today we show you how to marinate your curry chicken. You're gonna go with some butter bean. That's the volume 1 of how to marinate it. Look out for the volume 2 of how to cook it at home in your kitchen. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Remember, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you guys. Remember, you can donate to the cooking show, and also if you got too much money, you can always donate some, that we can get more ingredients. So anyway, today on the cooking show, we're gonna show you how to marinate your curry chicken and put it down for 12 hours, or some people call it 24 hours, in your kitchen. Enjoy the recipe. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Get a copy of the cookbook on Amazon, 50% off. Thank you so much, guys, and see you next time for volume 2 of the curry chicken with butter bean. Bye-bye. Guys, I love it. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It is amazing recipes, brilliant, and a lot of people love Chef Ricardo cooking show. You know why? Because I'm always doing chicken. Anyway, today we want to do a curry chicken with butter bean. But what we want to do, we need to get the chicken marinated first and soak for 24 hours. This one gonna be the volume 2 of the curry chicken and butter bean. Brilliant recipe, guys. So what we're gonna do, the first thing I'm gonna do with my curry chicken, I just wash it off and I use some lemon juice and some white vinegar and wash it off. So guys, you're gonna love the recipe, and I know you guys are gonna enjoy the recipe. And please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, donate to the channel if you got too much money. That's we can always buy ingredients. So first thing, we're gonna put on some mild curry. That's a teaspoon of, this is a teaspoon. I might put a little bit more. 1.5 teaspoon of mild curry powder. Basically, you can use your curry powder season what you like to use at home. I don't know what kind of season you like to use at home. A pinch of coarse pepper. That's coarse pepper. That's black pepper. Yeah. Second thing, we're gonna put some chicken season. 1 teaspoon of chicken season. And a teaspoon of all-purpose season. Also, a teaspoon of paprika. And I have some natural blending season which we're gonna use. So remember, guys, you can use your favorite season what you have at home. All right, this is natural blending season. That's 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. And I'm using 3 teaspoons of the natural blending season. Second thing, just a pinch of olive oil. Not too much olive oil, just a little pinch. That's the beautiful way to marinate your curry chicken at home. So it's curry chicken with butter bean. Make sure you got on the gloves like this and just rub it up like this, guys. Get all of the flavor in it. I didn't put any salt. If you notice, you must have said the chef doesn't use salt. No, the reason why, most of this season already got salt. You don't need any salt. So basically, you can see exactly what's going on inside of this right here. Look at that. That is beautiful. This is nice. One man said Jamaican food is the most sexiest food on the planet. Then what we're gonna do, next thing, we're gonna put some white onion, thyme, And also garlic. We're gonna put some spring onion. That's the spring onion. Lovely. Then get all of these inside of it. This is sexy and nice. It's a curry chicken. Beautiful recipe, guys. Curry chicken with butter bean, and this is the volume 1 of how to marinate it. Wow. Look at this. This is fantastic. Beautiful. And really nice. So as you can see, clean it around the edge of it. Just like that. That is beautiful. Then cover it like this. And put it in your fridge for 12 hours or 24 hours. Alright? Done and dusted. So that's the volume 1 of how to marinate the curry chicken for the butter bean. So look out for part 2. Part 2 gonna come up soon. So tomorrow we're gonna cook this. So we're gonna put this in the fridge and we're gonna put down this until tomorrow. So look out for part 2. Remember, guys, curry chicken with butter bean. Part 1, how to marinate the curry chicken. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the cooking team. Remember to donate because we need to get recipe and we need to get more. Sorry guys, that recipe, we need to get ingredients. And if you got too much money, you can always donate some to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.